front of me is OnePlus 15 and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Start by holding your search bar and waiting for Remove Widget pop-up to show. When it does, click on it. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, don't worry, I got you. Just hold your display, and when you see all of those options at the bottom, choose Widgets at the bottom left corner. Then scroll to tap on Google section and swipe to the left. Hit Add and click on your device's display. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!